B vitamins are often called the energy vitamins, not because they contain calories or directly give you energy like carbohydrates or fats, but because they're essential coenzymes in the chemical reactions that unlock energy from the foods you eat. Among the 8 B vitamins, 5 are directly involved in cellular energy metabolism: B1, thiamine; B2, riboflavin; B3, niacin; B5, pantothenic acid; and B6, pyridoxine. Each of these plays a crucial role in how your body converts carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into ADP, the cellular currency of energy. Thiamine, or vitamin B1, is one of the first players in the energy production process. It forms part of an enzyme called pyruvate dehydrogenase, which helps convert pyruvate, the end product of glucose metabolism, into acetyl-CoA, a molecule that enters the citric acid cycle, also known as the Krebs cycle, to produce energy. Without enough thiamine, this step stalls, leading to less efficient carbohydrate metabolism and symptoms like fatigue, weakness, and mental confusion. Good sources include whole grains, legumes, pork, and fortified cereals. Those who consume a lot of refined carbohydrates or alcohol are particularly vulnerable to thiamine depletion, since alcohol interferes with its absorption and increases excretion. Riboflavin, or vitamin B2, is necessary for the production of flavin adenine dinucleotide, FAD, and flavin mononucleotide, FMN, two coenzymes that act as electron carriers in both the Krebs cycle and the electron transport chain, the final steps of energy production. These coenzymes accept electrons released from food molecules and help shuttle them through the mitochondrial membrane to generate ADP. Without riboflavin, cells can't efficiently harvest the energy stored in fats or glucose. Riboflavin-rich foods include dairy products, eggs, almonds, and leafy green vegetables, and because it is destroyed by light, milk should be stored in opaque containers. Niacin, or vitamin B3, is just as critical, primarily through its role in forming NAD+, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, and NADP+, coenzymes involved in over 400 enzymatic reactions. These molecules are essential for transferring electrons during energy metabolism, especially in glycolysis and the Krebs cycle, and play a major role in converting both glucose and fatty acids into usable cellular energy. NAD+ is particularly vital for the electron transport chain, where the majority of ADP is generated. Niacin is found in poultry, fish, peanuts, and fortified grains. The body can also synthesize small amounts from tryptophan, an amino acid found in protein-rich foods, but this conversion is inefficient and dependent on adequate B6 availability. Pantothenic acid, or vitamin B5, is a key structural component of coenzyme A molecule involved in the synthesis and breakdown of fatty acids and carbohydrates. Coenzyme A is also essential for forming acetyl-CoA, the critical gateway molecule that feeds carbon units into the citric acid cycle. Without enough B5, fatty acid metabolism slows, and your cells have fewer substrates to work with for ADP production. Because B5 is found in almost all foods, including mushrooms, avocados, chicken, and whole grains, deficiency is extremely rare, but mild insufficiency can still compromise energy efficiency. Pyridoxine, or vitamin B6, supports energy metabolism by assisting in the breakdown of amino acids and converting stored glycogen into glucose when needed for quick energy. It is a coenzyme for enzymes involved in transamination, a process necessary for creating non-essential amino acids and for deaminating amino acids to use them as fuel. Additionally, B6 helps synthesize neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which also influence your perception of energy and mood. Found in bananas, chickpeas, poultry, and fortified cereals, B6 plays an especially important role in active individuals and those on high-protein diets. Together, these B vitamins don't give you a buzz like caffeine or a sugar rush, but they are the quiet engine under the hood, ensuring that the fuel you eat is converted into motion, strength, and mental clarity. Without them, your body can't make the ADP it needs to power muscles, maintain brain function, or keep metabolism humming. A deficiency in any one of these vitamins can create bottlenecks in energy production, leading to fatigue, brain fog, and reduced endurance. To support energy metabolism naturally, a diet rich in whole, minimally processed foods is your best strategy. Whole grains, nuts, seeds, legumes, lean meats, eggs, dairy, and a wide variety of vegetables provide the full spectrum of B vitamins in their most bioavailable forms. Fortified foods like breakfast cereals and nutritional yeast can also be useful, especially for individuals with higher needs or dietary restrictions. While supplements can help fill occasional gaps, the ideal foundation for sustained energy is built from nutrient-dense, diverse, and balanced meals that deliver these essential coenzymes to your cells every day.